What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, we're still putting in a range, very nicely actually. You can see here still respecting the box that we did draw in for a good while here. Let me just extend this out actually, so we can continue to draw candles inside of this range. Still just ranging here, trying to decide what to do. A little bit of lower volume as well. There's been really low volume over the past few days actually, probably because of the new year obviously, and I think quite a lot of people taking profits, sorting their taxes out, etc. There's been a lot of world events going on, you could say, that have probably been limiting the volume of trading somewhat. You can see just how low the volume has been over the past few days. It really has been tapering off with, just putting in a range here, really not really doing much else. But you can see this big coiling motion that we have talked about, ad nauseum really for the past few months. And we'll just, we continue to say it because we do think it's extremely important that we have got that breakout and the back test of that coiling motion now. And we've been putting in higher highs and higher lows here, as you can see, all the way to the upside, and looking as though we are starting to curve to the upside like this, potentially for another parabolic run, as we saw back here for Polygon as well. As you can see, we started making higher lows, and then before you know it, we were basically doing a hockey stick like this, where basically you just start to go vertical, consolidated, and then we had another vertical run before having that extended consolidation period. And you can see here for Polygon now, we're potentially starting to do this again, where we've got that kind of, those higher lows are getting more and more steep, as if we're basically, starting to head up the ramp for a bit more of a parabolic move to the upside. And we think especially because now that we've actually broken the previous all-time high, come up to around 293 here before coming back down into that range we've been talking about, where we have been consolidating. You can see on the hourly time frame here, we've just been consolidating in this range for a long, a good while now, basically for the past few weeks. We did have that move to the upside for the new all-time high, but we did come down and get rejected. That head and shoulders formation didn't actually materialize in the end. It looks like we have got quite a lot of bullish strength and momentum to keep the price action inside this range. And really, it looks like people are just trading the range here, heading up and down, doing something like this, where basically we're just bouncing up and down inside the range. Every time we come to the bottom of the range, we get a decent bit of support, but there is a decent bit of resistance as well at that previous all-time high as the top of the range at around that 267 level. So not that much to say about Polygon today specifically, but overall, as we've always said, looking really strong, looking like we're just heading up and to the right overall in terms of the general trend and the macro scale. I mean, you can see just how bullish this chart is right now. Very bullish indeed. Long consolidation period, huge parabolic run, this big coiling motion, and now we're breaking out of the coiling motion to the upside. I mean, we could be looking at some further upside for Polygon in the next few months, most likely in our opinion. Considering, this chart, it looks super bullish, doesn't it? And that $5 or $10 price target we've been giving basically the whole of last year doesn't seem so far away now in our opinion. So considering that we're at around 250 now, I mean, $5 or $10 is only a 2 to 4x from the current price. So very achievable in our opinion. And considering how Solana and AVAX have performed recently in terms of layer 2s having a really decent pump, we do think that Polygon, it's in that bracket, isn't it? It's in that category of layer 2s that could potentially come up and have a really nice move to the upside. So we'd say short-term price predictions, as we've said, we are just trading this range right now. So the bottom of the range at 242 is support, the top of the range at 268, 269 as resistance. If we rolled further than this, we've got that previous swing high at 222 back here that we do want to see retested before continuation most likely. But if we're breaking out the range to the upside, that 292, 293 all-time high, and then beyond that will most likely be the target. And as we said, we do have that 127 extension at around $4. What is this 395 level? So we do think Polygon looking very strong right now. I mean, in our opinion, it's probably imminent, the breakout that we are going to see. over the next few weeks to the next month, we're probably going to see this breaking to the upside in our opinion. And that $5 to $10 price target by the end of the bull run looking quite likely. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.